Hello children, hope you all had a wonderful Onam. So let's start with our lesson. From today's session we are going to look at numbers and number system, lesson 1 of your textbook. So this is how your textbook starts with: write the term to term rule for finding the next term in these sequences. So here are a set of numbers given. You have to write the term to term rule for finding the next term in these sequences. So first we need to know what are sequences. Sequence is a list of numbers that follow a rule. So here you can see it is a list of number and you have to find what is the rule that they follow. So let us see if we can find any rule. For that, let us first write the numbers that are given: 185, 180, 175. So what do you mean by a term? The numbers in this list, it is a list of numbers in the one. Sequence a list of numbers on one. So each and every number in this list is called a term. Here all numbers term. So the first term here is 185, second term is 180 and the third term is 175. You can see that the terms are decreasing. Like 185 ആണ്, 180 ആണ്, 175 ആണ്. Numbers are becoming smaller and smaller. Is it becoming smaller and smaller by the same amount? Yes, you can see 185 and 180. When you do minus 5, you get 180. 180 na minus 5 cheytala 175 kitta. So what will be the next term in the sequence? 175 minus 5, which is 170. So the term to term rule is the number decreases by 5. So that is about question number A. Now let's see if we can find a rule for B. The terms given are 235, 245, 255. You can see that the numbers are increasing. This number nekkalum valudana adutha number, idinekkalum bigger aanu adutha number. Is it increasing by the same value? Yes, you can see 235 na 245. That is, it increased by 10. Similarly, you get the next term by adding 10 to 245. So the term to term rule is increase by 10. So appo idile adutha term endayirikkum 255 kuda plus 10 add cheyidal. So what will be the number when you add 10 to this? Will be 265. So the next term in the sequence is 265. So ivide nammal endha rule find cheythathu? The term decreases by 5. Here the term rule is increase by 10. And coming to this, the terms are 901, 801, 701, etc. How does the number change? You can see the hundreds place is changing. So counting by hundreds ആണ്. Value increasing ആണോ decreasing ആണോ? It is coming smaller and smaller. So it is decreasing. Decreasing എന്ന് കാണിക്കാനായിട്ട് minus ഇട്ടു. By what amount? It is decreasing by 100. Minus 901 എന്ന് minus 100 ചെയ്താൽ 801 കിട്ടും. 801 എന്ന് minus 100 ചെയ്താൽ you get 701. Now to find the next term, 701 minus 100. It is 601. So, a sequence is a list of number that follow a rule. So, the rule can be either increasing or decreasing. Like, examples. So, I hope this is clear. Now, moving forward, read these numbers to your partner. Then write each number in words. So, in the place values noka. Ones, tens and hundreds. Hundreds place le 6. So, this is 600. Tens place lo onnu illa. Ones place le. Ones place le 1. So, this is 601. So, how do you write it? 600. 601. Now, ones, tens, hundreds. This is 299. 200. $99. $99. 99. Now coming to this is ones, tens and hundreds. 111. 100. 11. So this is about reading 3-digit numbers and number names. We know when a number is written in words, it is called number names. So these are the number names for the numbers given here. Write the number you make when you put place value cards together. So 300s, this you can take it as ones, tens and hundreds. It is 300s, 6 tens and 4 ones. So the number represented by this is 364. Coming to this, 900, there are no tens given, so we put a 0 there and 9 ones. This is 909. So this is how you put the numbers together. Itra hundreds and place value ones, tens and hundreds. Itra hundreds and put it in the hundreds place, look for the number of tens, put it in the tens place, look for the number of ones, put it in the ones place. Here tens place le value onnu illathodondana ivide 0. So I hope this is clear. Now copy and complete these number sentences. 562, 60 matre tannattu. This is 500 plus 60 plus 2. 305. 300 plus 5. Write the missing number. 16 into 10. We know when we multiply by 10, we put a 0 in the ones place. So we get 160. 56 into a number will give you 560. You can see there is 1 0 added to this. So this shows it is multiplication by 10. So 56 into 10 is 560. This problem is about place value. Think about what the digit is worth in $7 and $70. The $7 matra this is in ones place. 70 you have 7 tens and 0 ones. 7 tens and 0 ones. Do you have enough money to buy the bike? There are $7 in the bank. This is the money that you have. The bike costs $70. Can you buy this? No, we know 7 tens is bigger than 7. So you cannot buy this bike with the money that you have in the bag. ഇത് വാങ്ങണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് വേണം? ബാഗിലെ മണി ഇതിനേക്കാളും ബിഗ് ആവണം, ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ മോർ ആവണം. We know 7 is less than 70. Like, to be able to buy this, the money in the bag should be greater than. ബാഗില് കൂടുതൽ പൈസ ഉണ്ടാവണം. Greater than 70 ആണെങ്കിലേ വാങ്ങാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. 7 is less than 70 or 70 is greater than 7. 70 greater than 7 ayadonda we cannot buy this. Think about the numbers 126 and 162. So here again we'll write the place value cards. Hundreds, tens and ones, 126, 162. What is the value of digit 2 in each number? So here digit 2 is in tens place, so its value is 20. Here the digit 2 is in ones place, its value is 2. So each digit has a value multiplied by its place value will give the value of the digit. Here 2 tens place lavumbo 2 tens 20 varum. Here 2 ones place lavumbo 2 ones are 2 varum. Now counting and sequencing. Counting in tens, hundreds and thousands. Mia counts on in steps of 100. So let's write the place value chart. Hundreds, tens and ones. For hundreds hundreds place value change. Digits remains as such. She starts at 946. Write the next number, she says. So 946, she counts in steps of 100. Plus 100 is here. Counts on. So it is moving. The next number is higher than the number. 9 more will be 1046. Bakilla place values change. 9 in the good. 1 add 9 in the hundreds place you will have another value in thousands place. Now again idinte kuda 100 kootiyalo hundreds place la maatre change varullu. So 0 inde kuda 1 more add cheya. So the next number will be 1146. The next number is 1246. This keeps continuing. ഇവിടെ കണ്ടോ ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സ് പ്ലേസിൽ മാത്രമേ ചേഞ്ച് വരുള്ളൂ. ഇവിടെ 9 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് മാത്രമാണ് ഇവിടെ 10 ആയത്. Rest the only change that happens is in the hundreds place because we are counting on in hundreds. So that is counting in steps of 100. The rest we'll see in our next session. Please watch the video, children. In case if you have any doubts, please do post it in the stream. That's all for today. Thank you and take care.